How to make Telegram account with Gmail. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can make Telegram account with Gmail. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to make Telegram account with Gmail, if you open up Telegram here, you will see that on the login page, tap on start messaging and it'll give you an option to enter in your country code and your phone number. Unfortunately, you can see there is no any option. Even if you tap on next, you will see that there is no any option to enter in your Gmail or to log in using Gmail. Now what you'll have to understand is that Telegram uses the Gmail or Google phone number for the verification, the user verification or the account verification. So the only way to sign up or log in is using the phone number. Now in this case, what I can help you with is that if you don't have a phone number here, so suppose you don't want to use your personal phone number or you don't own a phone number, what you can do is you can simply head over to your browser and search in for free number for OTP. Once here, what you can do is you can head into one of these free links here, not the sponsored one but the free ones, and here you can head over and on that link you'll get the phone number along with the country code that you'll be able to use it for free. So you can choose any number, and if it is yet not used, you can enter in the country code and phone number here, tap on next, get the OTP from the website and enter it in and log into your account. Now the trick here is, once you're logged in, what you can do is you can use the two-step verification and enter in your Gmail there, so that nobody else from the website will be able to access your account, so you can secure it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.